areas. So maybe Berrien, Cass seeing a little bit less of that sunshine, but for a lot of us enjoying a bit of that sun, some of those blue skies, even though those frigid cold temperatures, they're around as well. And speaking of that sun, a look outside our studio, WNDU, sun too high in the sky to actually see it. You can see some of the glares, some of the blue skies as well. Temperature right now in South Bend, 9 degrees with that wind chill, that feel like temperature 7 below. Still seeing some of those winds that are gusty at times today, but not nearly as bad as what we were experiencing yesterday. Current wind chill throughout the entirety of the region, as we mentioned in South Bend, below 7 below. 2-hour north significantly colder, but still technically warming up compared to what we saw yesterday. 15 degrees below zero in Green Bay, 20 degrees below zero up in Duluth, Minnesota. Our first alerts coming up, but we have Wednesday as a first alert weather day, as well as Friday and Saturday as first alert weather days. But starting with Wednesday, well, that is not associated with the cold, because actually we are going to warm up tomorrow with a high temperature right around average for this time of year. It doesn't last long because cold temperatures head back around, but the reason for this first alert weather day is because of snowfall. A quick clipper system drops down into Michiana overnight and headed into your Wednesday morning during those morning commute hours likely, and bringing impacts to the roadways, upwards of 3 inches in some northern areas, as well as gusty winds allowing for blowing snow to be around as well. Friday and Saturday, then that cold air is back around, largely because of the cold for both days. Arctic front wind chills possibly 20 degrees below zero or lower than that. We're watching that closely, and also lake effect snow chances specifically there, mostly for your Friday. Timing everything out here with Future Track starting 5 p.m. today. Some sunshine around, some cloud covers as well, a little bit of combo of both until we head into those overnight hours. Right around midnight, headed into your Wednesday, that's when that snow, that quick clipper system starts to move in. It's fast moving, as clipper systems tend to be, and by 7 a.m., as you're headed out the door for your morning commute, still could see some few lingering lake effect snow showers. But the biggest impact to this is the concerns on the roads with that snow falling on the roads. Definitely going to be slick and snowy in those overnight hours. And we also mentioned those winds that are going to be gusting around 30 miles per hour. That is going to cause impacts with the visibility concerns, blowing snow around at times as well. And a quick check of what you can expect for those snow totals. Again, through Wednesday morning, much of us here going to see around an inch, especially if you're in those southern central areas. Northern portions could see 3-4 inches in very northern Berrien, possibly into Cass County as well. Something we're watching closely, plus that cold air on the way this weekend as well.